mobile now. So the simple way to use viewports is that, so it's viewport you can use to force something to look the same it looks on system. Okay, now let's try another thing. Back to desktop. Okay, now the interesting thing we want to do again is pagination. There is something called, in some blogs or some website blogs majorly, if you are reading some posts, you see some numbers down that will be telling you next, previous, the first page, second page, so anywhere you want to navigate to. So let's do our own now. Is in form of list. So let me use UL. Let's use class pagination. So li. So the first li, that's where it will a, so that where it will link you to. Then put hash. So let's call this one. Let me put this thing there. So close that a. The second li should have a href taking me to somewhere. That's one. Should take me to the first page of the content. Close this. Let me copy. So the first page, second page, third, fourth, fifth. Then there should be another forward like this. Aha. So this one, let's see what we just do. You can see what I did now. You can see. So this one is next, this one is previous. So it should not be on a straight line. So how will you do that if you want it to be on a straight line? So come to the style. What is this pagination? It's class. So that class is dot this. Now display in line block. So it should be in line block. You see, it just comes down. So that's what I want to achieve. Padding, no padding, margin, no margin, so that you come to the first page. You see, first side. Let me remove this and see what will happen. That's much. Alright, what about the L? So by pagination, no. Inside pagination, that is where we have li. So the li is a child to that pagination class. So this one display inline. No, inline. This one is just inline. You can see inline means on the line. Okay, what about A? You know A is a child to li. Do it like this. And li is a child to pagination. So do it like this exactly. Alright. So this is my A. The color should be black. Float should float to the left side. And the padding I want by height 8 pixels, by width 16 pixels. Yes. But there is underline there. Text decoration none. You can see. Okay. What about let me add transition there. Yes, transition. So transition like this. What do you want to transit there? Background color. How many seconds? 3 seconds. Okay. Then the border. Let's add border to it. Border. Just thin border. Solid. This kind of color. So let's run this and see what will happen. Wow. So you can see it's like a normal pagination like this. Okay. Alright. Now the first thing I want to do is that This one should have border radius. This one border radius. Display border radius. Display border radius. If you want to do something like this, what will you do? What will you do? You know that this place I said to have border is the first airline. This one is the last airline. So to now access the first airline, come here. You know, is the pagination is their grandmother, followed by airline, followed by A. But I don't name this. It's the first airline I want to access. It's the first airline. So put first child of that airline. You know we have plenty airlines. So put first child of that airline and A. So the A inside it, that's the one I want to access. So border top left and top right radius should just be 5 pixels. Let me just see whether this thing works. Yes, you can see this place curve now. So border top, no, it's now be border bottom left. So let me run this. You can see here also curve. So that is simple way to do that side. The same way we now use. Let me just copy here. Copy and paste. This is first child, it now become last child again. There's another one. This is right side, right side. You can see. So this place also curve. So this thing is looking like normal line and normal pagination. So another thing to do is when it's over, if I put my mouse on it, what will happen? So the meaning of background I put here, it means it's only background color that I want to perform transition from. And when we transition occur, I told you about hover. So when hover, put it here. So when hover, so it's only background color that we change. So that is why I put it there. Let's put this DDD here. You can see, you see, you see, you see, you see. So if you click here, it takes it to one place. Click here, it takes it to one place. So that's that they do pagination. So it should not be like this in your website. You can see very small like this. So this is a simple way to do pagination for your website. This is normal way it will look like in your website. And to know the active one, let me say maybe this one. This one is active. Let's put class active. So you can have programming that any pagination followed by a line followed by active. This is not any E, is not A anymore. So what will happen? Background color, let's say green, color white. Yes. See border. The border also should be 1 pixel solid green. Should be green so that it's okay now. See. This should not change. So that means you need to program this your hover. This is your hover. So that you put what? You are going to put something here. Hover not so that it's not touch that active one. You no go touch them like this. See. You not touch them. See. But you are the one that say not active, the one that does not contain active class. This. So that number 2 can never see. So simple way to do pagination. Let's quickly do column. So let me delete this. Generate